Can you believe this? The Anchorwork M650 is smaller than your car keys. This little guy offers crystal clear audio just like in those fancy studios. Say goodbye to bulky gear. This mic is a game changer. Trust me. It literally sticks to your clothes like magic, no clips needed. Perfect for on-the-go content creation without the hassle. Comes with a sleek charging storage box. Super convenient. No more dead batteries during your live streams. Oh, yes. Compatible with both mobile phones and cameras. Ultimate freedom. Film anywhere, anytime without breaking a sweat. The touchscreen receiver makes adjusting settings a breeze.